After the edges are completely dry, which again is going to depend on temperature and humidity, 20 minutes to 2 hours depending on inside or outside. If you use fans, you can put fans inside of a kitchen, move the air around, things will dry much more quickly. But after it is dry, we're going to just lightly stone this, knock off any burrs, any sharp edges, anything that might be loose or hanging off. We're not worried about sanding it very hard or a lot or anything else like that. We're just lightly going to take the edges off. Pay careful attention that nothing is down underneath here. And then we're going to be careful to get all the dust off. And then it's time to move on to the texture.